There are two ways to access Google Classroom. The first way is to go up to the right-hand corner of your Google screen and click on what they call a waffle. From here, you will see the Classroom icon. When you click on this, it will take you to Google Classroom. The second way is to go up to your browser bar and type in classroom.google.com. Now that you are on the Google Classroom homepage, you want to go up to the plus sign and create a class. From here, since you will be creating multiple classes for different subjects or sections, it's important that you fill out all of these fields to help with organization. So for the class name, I might put Fall 22, say US History, section, maybe Period 1 or Block 1. Subject, I could put US History again, or I could leave that blank, and I'll put the room number so students know where my classroom is located. I will click Create. Once created, it will show the layout of your classroom. And you can see at the top, it tells you on the left-hand side, the title of your course and the section. Other things to note on this page is the Customize button that allows you to customize this header at the top, as well as the font colors of the accent pieces for your Google Classroom. You can also access the settings, which we will go to in a minute, on the top right-hand side, or also in the stream where it says Stream Settings. On the left-hand side, you will see a class code. This is what you will display for students by clicking this display button. And then students will type that in when they join a Google Classroom. For now, we're going to click on the settings. When you click on settings, you'll see the class details that you typed in listed at the top. You can always change these. And then you also see the class code again. And below that, where it says stream, you will see here that it defaults to allowing students to post and comment in the stream. This can be changed to allow students to comment only, or for teachers to be the only ones that can post or comment. I am going to select only teachers. This is completely teacher preference. And then towards the bottom, there is a section on grading. In this section, you have the option to show the overall grade to students. You also have the option to decide whether you would like to grade with total points or weighted by category. If you select total points, then you can add categories down here, and it will allow you to alter the default points. This is helpful when creating assignments, quizzes, and questions for students because when selecting this category, it automatically changes the point value. You can change these and customize them for individual assignments when assigning as well. I might add a projects category, have that worth a different point value to default to, or many teachers in secondary education prefer to have grades weighted by category, meaning that grades from certain categories of assignments will have more weight or value than others. If I select weighted by category, then it changes these to percentages instead of point values. You can add as many categories as you would like. The most important thing is that the percentages then need to add to 100%. So if quizzes are 10%, projects are 60%, it tells you the remaining percentage. I want tests to be 20%, and then I'm going to add the final for the semester, and I'm going to have that equal 10%. When you get to a remaining 0%, you can then save in the top right corner, and you are now set up for your Google Classroom. Once your classroom is set up the way you like it, you can create copies of this classroom if you teach multiple sections of the same class. To do this, go back to your main menu by clicking the three lines and then Classes. From here, click on the class that you would like to make a copy of by clicking on the three dots in the right-hand corner. Select Copy and give your class a new name. So maybe this would be Fall 2022 US History, but period 3 instead of 1. Select Copy. Then all of the information, including topics, classwork, and grading preferences, will be transferred to this new copy.